guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. And today I'm here to review a product which was in demand. So I updated one story on my Instagram where I asked you if you wanted me to review this product or another product. Most of you guys voted for this one, so here it is. And this is none other than the Ching's Manchurian Instant Noodles. Yes guys, so it looks something like this. On that note, if you do not follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram right now. You can find the link for my Instagram handle over here. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Talking about this product, it has another fan base. I have tried few products from Ching's. I absolutely love their premixes which they give for Manchurian and for fried rice. They are bang on perfect, and I've also tried their noodles. I'm not the biggest fan of their noodles, the instant noodles, but yeah, they are okay, they are fine, I like them. And today I'm gonna try the one in this Manchurian flavor, and I'm really excited to try this because as I mentioned, I'm happy with a few products and I'm not really happy with a few products, so I'm really excited to see if this one pleases me. So this packet retails for rupees 15 and it has 60 grams of product in it. You can very easily find it online and offline everywhere, almost like on Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, JioMart, etc. So you can really easily find this product both online and offline. It comes in this normal noodles packaging that every noodles comes in, and I'm now gonna prepare this in my kitchen. I'll also show you step-by-step process of preparing this, and then we'll taste it. To prepare these instant noodles, take 1.5 cups of water in a pan. As the water starts boiling, add the noodles to the pan. After a minute, add the taste maker. Keep mixing the noodles with the taste maker in the water and make sure you do not break the noodles, so you have to mix it really lightly. We have to boil out all the excess water in this. And once all of the water is boiled out, take this out in a bowl and your Ching's secret Manchurian instant noodles are ready. So I have my Manchurian instant noodles with me. Let's taste it and I'll tell you how it is. So talking about the review of this product, it tastes nice. It has strong flavors of garlic, ginger, green chili. You can actually see small chunks of garlic and ginger also in it, and it has very strong flavors of those. It has Chinese hues to it, but it is not exactly Manchurian. So I mean, I do not even know how would a Manchurian noodle taste, but still this is not completely Chinese, but this is not completely normal as well. It has a lot of Chinese flavors in it. So yeah, that's about its taste. I really liked it. It's something that I can really feast upon. This is not something that I'll say absolutely no to. I can enjoy this. Sometimes I can also replace it with Maggie. So yeah, it's a good option if you want to try. These noodles are going to be loved by children, so you can definitely give it to them, but do not give it to them if your child doesn't like anything spicy, because these are spicy. Apart from that, children are gonna love it, I think. I'm gonna give these noodles a 4-star rating because they are nice, they are affordable, they taste good. So yes, they get a 4-star rating from me. And you can definitely give these ones a try if you are a noodle fan, or if you are a Manchurian fan, or if you want to try something new apart from Maggie. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below of how did you like today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press that bell icon so you do not miss any upcoming videos from me. You can follow me on Instagram to stay connected with me on a daily basis. The link for my Instagram and Facebook handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.